Hi, this is Tony at Callas Rennsport. I've got a 2096 and this is a stereotypical lifter problem. If you listen, both banks sound good right now. We're gonna rev it up and let it idle, and then it's gonna misfire on bank 2, which will be the left tailpipe. And then it smoothens out again. So it looks like we have a faulty lifter. What happens is when you rev it up, you've got good oil pressure in the lifter's okay, and then when you let it idle, the oil pressure drops, and that's when the lifter will act up. Thank you.